tornado, striking. Stance. 1. Outside the block. 2. Step forward, inner striking. 3. Turn over, forward stand, outside the block. 4. Inner striking. Stance. One more. 1. Blocking. 2. Striking. 3. Blocking. 4. Kick. 1. Blocking. 2. Striking. 3. Blocking. 4. Striking. We're going to connect 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Collect 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more. Connect. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Connect 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Turn over. Connect 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Ready? Switch your leg. Ready? Shot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now focus your step faster. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus to number 3. Bigger. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Stance again. Left hand forward. Ready? Left hand. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this time move your step further. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stance. Inhale and exhale.